Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a delicious and colorful spaghetti recipe loaded with fresh vegetables like carrots and bell peppers, combined with flavorful sardines for a nutritious and satisfying meal. This quick and easy recipe is perfect for lunch, dinner, or whenever you are craving something tasty without spending hours in the kitchen. So let's cook. In a clean pan, I added some olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Then I'll be adding my onions, the purple and the white onions, and then I'll go ahead to just stir this up and cook for a few minutes, and then I'll go ahead to add garlic and ginger paste. Then I'll add some chili pepper, which I made myself. After that, I'll go ahead to add in some thyme. This is optional, but it adds flavor to the meal, and some curry powder as well, which also add flavor to the meal. And then I'll give everything a good stir. If you are watching up to this point, please go ahead to subscribe, like, and share. Now I'll be adding the carrot, and after that, I'll go ahead to just give this a good stir. And then I'll go ahead to add in the bell pepper. You know how bell pepper give nutrients to the body, and even carrot. So after that, I'll cover this to cook for a few minutes, and then I'll move over to the sardine. For my sardine, I'll remove the bone and everything. Then coming back again to our sauce, I'll go ahead to add in the sardine. Are you a lover of sardine? Let me know in the comment section. I'll add some salt and maggi for taste. For the sardine, it is optional, okay? Then I'll give everything a good stir. After that, the next thing I'll be doing is to add in some salt into a boiling water. I'll be using this spaghetti. I'm using the whole spaghetti. Then I'll go ahead to just put everything inside, and then with my wooden spatula, I'll just mix everything up, and then I'll allow that to cook. After that, I will remove this from the fire and then sieve it, and I will come back to the sauce. Now I'll go ahead to add in some leftover egg fish I have in the freezer. So after adding it, I'll go ahead to add in the cooked spaghetti. Make sure you cook your sauce first before you cook your spaghetti so that it will not overcook. Then I will go ahead to give everything a good stir, guys. This is so easy to put together. Will you be trying this? If you do, go ahead to tag me in the comment section. Leave your comment in the comment section. I'll just finish up with some spring onions to add more flavor to the dish. So guys, if you're interested or you want to recreate this recipe, go ahead to do so. I'll be adding in some boiled egg. This is also optional. Guys, our dinner lunch is ready. So I went ahead to serve this for my husband. If you're interested and you want to recreate this as I said before, go ahead to do that. Leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video and keep eating good food.